Hello! Are you new to artificial intelligence? Don't worry. The AI learning path from AI Model Learn was specifically designed for non-technical beginners, providing a clear and structured roadmap to help you learn the fundamentals of AI in a simple and practical way. Discover essential concepts, prompt engineering techniques, and real-world applications that will help you use artificial intelligence with confidence in your work, studies, and everyday life. In our AI learning path, you will build a strong foundation for using artificial intelligence with confidence and efficiency. After completing all 12 lessons in the learning path, you will unlock a final quiz consisting of 10 questions designed to assess the knowledge you have gained throughout the course. By answering all questions correctly, you will be able to generate your certificate of completion, which includes a shareable verification link, a unique QR code, and a downloadable version that can be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or professional portfolio.